So I had a very interesting question being asked to me. How much money do you make on YouTube if it's not your full-time job? Well, I'm going to be answering that question with you today. You see, for me, YouTube is not my full-time job. In fact, my software company that I run is also not my full-time job. I have several YouTube channels and basically I keep them up for fun. My business YouTube channel, however, I keep open for product tutorials and helpful tips and tricks and things like that. It's basically a marketing ploy for us to help us help customers, to give friendly advice, to invite people in and possibly let them browse our products. That's kind of what we're using it for. And we also use it for personal uploads in case anyone needs any help. We kind of upload videos there so they can follow along with us and get advice, tech support. 28 videos are what we published in a year. We currently have 1.8 thousand subscribers, which isn't a lot, but it's enough for us to get monetized. I also personally don't like having ads everywhere. I know that a lot of YouTubers do. Me personally, I hate to see ads blocking my videos. I hate to see ads on the side. And I also do not like mid-rolling ads, so ads that happen in the middle. Now, there are some exceptions. If it's a really long video, I get it. But for the most part, I hate it when people have an ad every 2 to 3 minutes. It just drives me insane. So I only put ads at the beginning and ads at the end. And also during our tutorial videos, for the longest time, I didn't have ads in it at all. In fact, I didn't have ads on our tutorial videos for over a year. How much money did we get paid through YouTube? And keep in mind, that is us posting 28 videos within that time. That is also us not having ads everywhere like we could have. So even just adding the ads in there like we could have, we have only put in 2 types of ads whenever there's a total of 4 that we could have. So really, we could double our income on ads just by doing that. We could also double our income on ads by putting ads in our tutorial videos, because the majority of our videos are actually tutorial videos for our software. So if we did put that in there, we could have easily turned in a 4 times multiplier on the number that I'm about to show you. As I said, YouTube's not my full-time job. I have a personal YouTube channel where I do like some personal stuff, video gaming, building computers, things that just interest me. Then I have my software company's YouTube, where again, we post tutorial videos and things like that, help people out. And then also I run a software company on the side, and I'm also a full-time teacher. I teach public schools. I might spend 2 hours out of my time a month making videos on YouTube. Keeping that in mind, let's go ahead and look at my statistics and numbers for this year. So this is my current YouTube channel for the business, Gray Technical. We currently have 1.8 thousand subscribers, which again isn't a lot. And you can see that in the past month, we've made $95. So if we go over to, I just want to show you our audiences and what it kind of looks like. You can see where our audiences mainly comes from. You can also see the percentage of our subscribers. We currently are at 0.8% of our viewer base is subscribed, which means that we don't make a whole lot of money off of our videos, but we still make something. So if we had more subscribers, then we would have, well, more income coming in. So what about the income? Well, if we go over to revenue, you can see our monthly totals right down here. And it averages out to be about $100 a month, give or take. You can also see, if we drop this down to the last 365 days, we have made a total of $1,121.81, with our average payback base CPM being $14 and our average RPM being 4 0.09. And of course, all of this could raise depending on us making more videos and working more towards the ads. And like I said, just by adding more ads into our content, which we don't do, I could very easily put this on a 4 times multiplier and get this up to $4,000. But frankly, I don't like all those ads. I just don't like them, so I personally don't want to do that. But just keep that in mind. Working this, not even part-time, okay, just working this YouTube channel, putting 2 videos out a month, I'm still able to make a total of $1,121 a year just off of this channel alone. And again, not a lot of money. It's not going to, it might pay 1 bill, might pay, if I divvy it out, might pay 2 bills, but still, I mean, it's an extra $1,000. It's not bad, considering that I've worked 2 hours a month on it. If you just work this in your spare time, only put a couple hours a month or a year into it, you're not going to make a killing at it, but at the same time, it's extra money, and it doesn't hurt. There are really a lot of stuff I could do to raise that, but like I said, I don't like plastering ads everywhere. I just don't. That's not me. Now, in the future, if I see that it can actually be profitable, sure. I mean, maybe I might consider it, but right now, I'm not interested in that. It's not my main source of income. Really not worried about it. The extra $100 a month is great, but again, not really that worried about it. This is what you could expect to make using YouTube as a part-time gig, as a just extra kind of fun stuff. Once you get monetized, what you can look forward to, that's it. So, if you all have any questions for me, leave a comment down below. I hope this has helped you out. I hope it's given you a better idea of what to expect. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help us out. Thank you all very much. Have a great day, guys. Hi, I'm Kyle, owner and operator of Great Technical. Thank you all so much for making it at this point in the video, and if you are here, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm making is stuff that you all like to see. Go ahead, leave us a comment as well. Let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, or if you have any future updates that you would like to have included in our products in the future. I would also like to say that being a company owner, I am very proud to be able to support businesses and students. I am also extremely proud to be able to support content creators. So if you have a content platform, you make videos, or if you have a blog and you would like to reuse some of our content, or if you would like to review some of our products, go ahead and send me an email. My email is right here, support@greattechnical.com. Get in contact with me. We can see what we can get worked out. And until next time, thank you all very much. Have a great rest of your day.